Sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Ms. Ong. Allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pa-cute eh.
Hindi po. Pasensya na rin po.
Ano lang po, Miss Cassie, kasi kanina pa po narinig ko that you are not involved in Lucky South 999 operation. But inadmit mo po that during your visit in Pagcor to settle the accounts of Lucky South 999 with Harry Roque, eh bakit ikaw? Eh di ba sabi mo kanina you're not involved in the operation of Lucky South 999? Then all of a sudden you represent Lucky South 999 sa Pagcor na alam mong pogong pinag-usapan doon. Not the sublease agreement, not the sale of the property in which ang claim mo is real property lang kayo. And you've said na hindi ka involved sa Pogo. But now, you're confirming that you represent Lucky South 999 to settle the account of a Pogo licensee, which is Lucky South 999, doon sa Pagcor. Eh, napaka-inconsistent po.
Hindi po.
Bakit hindi?
Nagbayad lang po ako at nag-present para sa Lucky South 99.
Ayun yung problema.
Pero po, okay lang po magsalita po?
Yeah, tapos
Pero
mo.
po, hindi po. Wala po akong kinalaman.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Ms. Ong. Allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pa-cute eh.
Hindi po. Pasensya na rin po.
So let it be a reminder to you, Miss Cassie, na patapusin mo munang magtanong ang ating mga membro bago ka sumagot.
Okay po. Pasensya na po.
Please proceed.
Lastly,
And address the chair, Mr. Chair. Ask her, direct her to address the chair.
And address the chair. Pag sasagot ka, address the chair bago ka sumagot. Okay?
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Let it be put on record that Kasiong is lying because inconsistent po yung sinasabi niya kanina. Nakikinig lang po ako, is not representing Lucky South 999, but here comes the payment of accounts. Siya po ang bumayad. Kahit sabihin mo pa po, hindi mo pera from Chen. But still, you represent Lucky South 99 in Pagcor to settle that account.
The next to interpolate is Congressman Keith Flores. You are recognized.
Thank you,